Let's break down Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, in plain English. It lets large language models pull in external knowledge, so answers are more accurate and up-to-date. A document gets split into chunks. Each chunk is embedded as a vector, and those vectors are stored in a vector database. Without RAG, the student relies only on memory, whatever they already memorized. With RAG, the student checks the library first, then writes the essay using what they found. Step 1, your query gets encoded into a vector. Step 2, the retriever searches the vector database and finds the matching chunks. Step 3, augmentation. That retrieved content gets added to your original query. Step 4, generation. The LLM produces its final answer, now grounded in real information. Let's look at the key components that make up a RAG system. First, the knowledge source, documents, APIs, or databases. Second, chunking, splitting that text into manageable pieces. Third, an embedding model that converts text into vectors. Fourth, a vector database that stores those embeddings for fast similarity search. Fifth, the retriever, which finds the most relevant chunks. And finally, the LLM generator, which produces the final grounded response. Together, these 6 pieces make up the full RAG pipeline. So why use RAG at all? Accuracy. It reduces hallucinations by grounding responses in real data. Freshness. It gives up-to-date answers without retraining the model. Domain adaptability. It works well in specialized fields like medical, legal, or enterprise. Cost efficiency. You avoid the expense of retraining large models. And transparency. It lets you cite sources so users can verify the answer themselves. Of course, RAG isn't perfect. Context misinterpretation. Even with correct retrieval, the LLM can still misread the meaning. Dependence on data quality. Poor or biased sources can still cause misinformation. And it's not foolproof. Hallucinations are reduced, not eliminated entirely. So to recap, RAG combines retrieval and generation for smarter, fresher AI without retraining. If this helped you understand RAG, like and subscribe for more AI explainers. Thanks for watching.